In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a true slim SSB-508E smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Okay, now let go of the buttons. Press the volume down button. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to press and hold down the power button, and while pressing and holding down the power button, press the volume up button, and then you can let go of the power button. Okay, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes. Press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.